Hey everybody, I'm here to help you out with the lab, so let's get right into it and take a look at some sample data, and we'll see if we can build a chart and throw it into our report. So if we go into Google Sheets, here we have some data, and notice that we want to have the time in the first column and then your other two sets of temperature data in columns B and C. And you're just going to click and drag so that all of that data is highlighted in the blue box there. And then you can come over and choose Insert Chart. And then once you do that, it kind of guesses what chart you want. We don't really want a line chart. We want a scatter plot. So you can come down here and do that. And then you can just click on each of the components and change them, or you can make changes using this menu bar. You can also just kind of move this over where you want. And then you've got yourself a fun little chart there. So if we come back to our lab, everybody wants to know where the questions are. And so here's the instruction page. And then if you scroll down to the second page, that's where the questions are. And then I even put some comments over here to help you out with the answers. So you can put those into the discussion part and then just put the number of the question and the answer. You don't need to retype it. When you do the procedure, make that super short. I know what it is. You know what it is. You don't need to copy the whole thing. Just kind of cut to the chase. Your graph you want to put in here. And so if you go to Insert up here and then go to Chart, and then from Sheets, if it's actually your chart that you're doing and not someone else's like mine is, then it will show up in here. And then you can just pick that sheet and hit select and put it in there. Mine I stole from somebody else, so it's not showing up as an option. So if you do that, then you can just drop that in there. Let's just try it. You might even be able to do this. I'll do Control C and then come back here and do Control V. Link to spreadsheet. I don't want to. I want to paste it. So you can just do Control V and Control C. Control V to copy and Control C to paste it, and that'll put it in there. So you don't need to share your spreadsheet with me. Just put everything in this document, and then when you're finished, you can hit submit. So I think that's all we need to know. Hopefully that helps you figure out some of the things you had issues with, either with the questions or spreadsheet layout or how you get that into your final document. Hopefully we get that taken care of then. A lot of stuff looks good so far. I know it's a little weird trying to figure it out on your own. Look for a video from me on some video office hours where you can connect and ask questions and we can interact and do some stuff with a whiteboard online. That should help you with your questions. So look for that video tonight or tomorrow and just keep plugging away at it. You guys are doing awesome. Hang in there, and we'll talk to you soon.